In this video, we will show you how to expand your garment size and how to tighten loose areas in your garment using your adjusters. Expanding your garment size. Lay your garment flat, place your leg on top of the garment and place your foot into the footpiece. Anchor your heel into the back of the footpiece. Attach the non-fastening side of the adjusters to the self-fastening tabs on the garment. The self-fastening side of the adjusters should be exposed. Only attach the adjusters to the garment tabs that need to be expanded. Place the self-fastening protectors over any exposed self-fastening tabs that may touch your skin. Wrap the garment around your leg and secure the extender self-fastening tabs for a tight but not restrictive fit. Tuck material around your ankle with one hand and, with the other hand, pull the self-fastening adjuster tab in the opposite direction to tighten the fit and attach the tab to the garment. Now you are ready to start your therapy. Tightening your garment. For areas that feel loose, you can use the extenders to tighten and customize the fit of your garment. Wrap the garment around your leg and secure your garment as you would normally do for therapy. Place the adjuster over the loose-fitting area and use tension to secure the self-fastening tabs. Repeat for additional loose-fitting areas. Once you have a tight but not restrictive fit applied to your entire limb, you are ready to start therapy.